Okay, today we are doing Fenty Beauty, okay, and we're just gonna jump straight into it, show you guys how we catfish, how we went from that to this, looking like we have no makeup on, no makeup look, natural makeup, yes, even throw in a glamour look there for the culture. But anyway, let's jump into it. So first I'm gonna start by fixing my eyebrows. Really doesn't matter what I use, it's not Fenty. Anyway, primer, Fenty Beauty primer. This primer is amazing. It's lotiony, so which is great for dry skin, but also it's not too much where you're oily, because I have combination skin, so the oily parts of my skin don't. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I can't put it into words, but basically it's great for combination skin because it hydrates at the same time it mattifies. So yeah, and we're just gonna put a bit more on my forehead and just yeah. So next up we are going to be using the Pro Filter foundation in the shade 400. Guys, this foundation, can I tell you, the first day I wore it, everyone was complimenting me on my skin. Not on my makeup, but on my skin. It just melts into your skin. It looks so natural. It looks so beautiful. Basically, you're walking around with a filter on your face. It looks like you didn't put anything on, and a little goes a long way. Unless if you wanted to really cover up, then you can put more, but legit, this is fine. Like, yeah. So we're just gonna continue blending that out. I'm blending, and we're still adding some more. And yeah, you can visibly see the difference. I didn't even put that much on. And now this is the Matchstick Trio. As you can see, they're magnetic, and that is the shade Caramel. It is too light for me, so I'm not gonna use it. And I bought another foundation, which I'm so sorry for showing you guys a blank space. I got another foundation in the shade 380. It was too light for me. Thankfully now I can use it as a concealer. Great, because it's exactly 2 shades lighter, which you know your concealer is supposed to be 2 shades lighter than your foundation color. And we are just gonna blend that out, and we're blending. Yes, with this brush. Oh my gosh, these brushes, guys. The first day I used them, they were amazing. Now I'm just like, wow. Okay, so next up I'm going to contour my face using another Matchstick Trio, part of the Matchstick Trio, called in the shade Truffle. As you can see, it's very light. It's way too light for me, but then it is amazing because we are going for a natural look, which also complements the concealer that we use, because it's also very light, and it's just, yeah, it just, not light, sorry, it's just also very naturally, and so yeah, it just goes with our theme today. And then we are just gonna blend that out. I actually like this particular brush that I'm using to blend out contour, and yeah. And also we are gonna overblend today because we don't want people to see the line, okay? We don't want people to be like, oh, you have makeup on. No, it's gonna be blended in to the point where you're gonna be like, is she wearing makeup? Actually, you're gonna just be like, oh, she's looking good today, hunting. Okay, yeah. Okay, next up we are gonna go to the eyes. This is the Galaxy palette, and basically look at the colors, they're just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I want one that looks natural, and I found it, and I'm gonna put down the exact shade down in the description box. And it's just, I love it because it's naturally, it just looks like you just have a natural glitter glow on your eyelashes. Not eyelashes, oh my gosh, eyelids. The color is very subtle. It's just a lot of glitter basically with this particular shade. With all the other shades, it actually shows the color, but with this, it's just, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It just looks like you're just glowing. Your eyelids are just glowing. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, next up for our highlights, we are going to be using another stick trio thingamajiggy, and this one is a highlight in the shade Rum, and this is very subtle. I love it. It doesn't stick out that much if you put it in small quantities. It is buildable, it is, yeah, but This one, yeah, you can put a little, it'll show a little. You put a lot, it'll show a lot. It usually hits you when you're in the sun, and it looks like a natural glow. That's why I love it for a natural look, because it just looks like a sun-kissed glow and not an actual highlight. Yep. So to show you the intensity of it, I'm gonna swatch it on my arm. Can you see? That is when you put a lot of it. It's just beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. But I don't want to put a lot on today because we are natural, okay? So now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the natural part of our video, the natural portion, the catfish portion. If you see the picture that is at the beginning and compare it to how I'm looking now, fam, look at me spilling all my secrets. You guys better subscribe for this, okay? And now to take it to glam, I'm first gonna swatch the eyeshadow colors, the others, to show you that they can get very intense. Like the pigment, come through, Riri, come through. Yes, and I settled on the one that I'm swatching now. Like I said, the names are gonna be down in the description box of everything that I use. And eeny, meeny, miny, mo, choosing a color, landed on the okay, and just rechecking to make sure that I want that color. And yeah, putting it on my eyelid. Please look at how beautiful that is. My brush was wet, not intentionally. I just put it on the basin, but it just helped pick up the color even more. I mean, it's just gorgeous. That color is so pretty. It is so pretty. It is just gorgeous, guys. It's so pretty. Wow. Now putting it on the other eyelid, guys. Just look at how gorgeous this color is. Oh my goodness, I cannot deal. I really cannot deal. And what am I doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Why am I a YouTuber, guys? Why am I trying to do this? I suck at this. Anyway, I'm gonna take another shade. This was such a big mistake. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. Oh my gosh. So anyway, I'm looking for a shade to put under my eye, and the shade I settled on was not the shade I should have settled on. It's this, the goldish one, and it basically just washed me out. It just looked so, oh gosh, I don't know why I did that, but anyway, we're here, so we're gonna work with it. As you can see, it's a beautiful color, but just not with the purple. And yeah, next we are moving to my favorite part, guys. This is Trophy Wife. I love this highlight. This is my favorite highlight of all time. It is gold. It is basically Riri in highlight form. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh guys, you should see this at night when the light hits you. Oh my goodness. Or when you are taking a selfie with people, you just stand out. Okay, you just there like shine bright like a diamond. Ew. Guys, this highlight is just, oh my goodness. Okay, obviously it's not for day wear, unless if you extra like me. I love it at night though. It's just, oh gosh, guys, I can't get enough of it. And once I start putting it on, it's hard to stop me. So next up, we are moving on to the Fenty lip paint. Guys, I understand why she called it lip paint, because legit, it's dripping. It's beautiful. It's not messy, but you have to be careful when you put it on because it can go so wrong. I am feeling it, okay, because it's so intense. The color is so beautiful. It just melts onto your lips. I know it looks watery and glossy right now, but it does dry up, but not to the point where it just dries your lips like other matte lipsticks. This one is just, guys, Riri is a wizard, okay? This is just so beautiful. It is so intense. It is so extra. It is the perfect red lip. It is honestly the perfect red lip, but like I said, you have to be very, very careful putting it on because it can go wrong so many ways. So Auntie Riri does not have a setting spray yet. Sorry. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and yeah, just to kind of give it a little bit of bounce. This foundation, this makeup lasts all day, so it really doesn't need a setting spray. But you know, for the culture, what am I doing? Oh my gosh, wow guys, you've seen more than you should have of me today. And yeah, that is the glam look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, like just everything. But guys, subscribe please, it helps me out. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, this is why nobody, wow guys, what is wrong with me? I don't understand, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to be sexy, but I'm not a sexy person, so that is just all going downhill. And yeah, well, bye guys, bye.